service, we offer service, preventative maintenance, calibration, repairs, remote support to all our customers. We deliver customer excellence and give the customer what they need. Some of the solutions that Desoutter offer are pneumatic control tools, electric tools, torque wrenches, but also vision systems and high-level data analytics. The UK Customer Centre is based here in Congleton in Cheshire, and here we have our operations centre and also the workshop. Many customers struggle with controlling their processes, operator training, operator guidance, controlling of their torque tightening solutions.
Multitude of things happen at the operations centre. For one, we repair tools, and that's kind of the bread and butter of the business here at Congleton. But in tandem with that, we have a showroom just next door, so we bring customers in here. We offer trainings to customers. We have, our internal meetings. We have an office full of people here that work here every day. It's the beating heart of the UK business. When you really come here to the customer centre and you can play with the tools and actually see them running, have someone explain why they're not just a tool and why it is a solution instead, that brings a certain value that you just can't get when it's not in person. But customers coming here and getting to see an entire assembly line from start to finish and really understand, wow, Desoutter is not just a tool supplier, they're a solution supplier, they do the whole lot. That's pretty different from everybody else, and I would say a step above.
As an OEM service provider, we only use original spare parts, genuine Desoutter parts for all of our repairs. The advantage of that is the customer knows that they're getting a quality product, they're getting a quality repair, a quality service.
We're the tooling experts. We build these tools, we service them day in, day out. If we do come across something that was not seen before, we have the contacts over in headquarters from R&D, and also the product managers, so we can resolve things quickly and efficiently. I think we offer a personal touch. We offer a quick solution, an efficient solution, and what fits the customer needs.
We're not a standard supplier because we have their best interests at heart in absolutely everything. We don't just want their business, we want them to talk about us afterwards and go, these guys were good, we got value out of them and we really liked them and we want to work with them again.